Hello, friends. Today I am going to talk about a very interesting uh, topic called the power of imagination. Our world is full of imagination. If you really see, everybody imagines something or the other in a day. But do you know a human being generates almost 50 to 60,000 thoughts in a day? Yeah, you heard it right. 50 to 60,000 thoughts in a day. But in that thoughts, how many are channelized towards positive and how many are channelized towards the negative things? Mostly it is kind of negative, what will happen, how it will happen, what will I do, and so on and so forth. But we don't think much about the positive ones. So today I'll just give you a concept. How does it work? So basically our we have two halves in our brain. One is a positive, one is a negative. One good could be, the other one is evil. And in each of these halves we have several million thoughts on both sides. You can call it as thoughts, or maybe I can call it as so many workers. If you see, million workers on the positive side and million workers on the negative side, and you being the supreme power to hold them, you are the boss, you are the in charge for all these thoughts to form. So how does it work? I'll give you an example. So morning I get up and I say, I have woken up in a bad shape, I'm not feeling well, I'm not done my workout, I don't know how I'm going to have my day, entire day, whether there'll be traffic on the road or whether my car will work properly and such things. So what happens is, now once I bring this thought, it goes into my subconscious mind where there are those millions of workers who are there. They all start thinking that my boss is not feeling good today. Then he will kind of generate all that kind of a thoughts which are there, all the negative thoughts which are kind of pulling me back. And then that kind of thoughts which will keep on rotating in your mind entire day, and your whole day will get spoiled. On the other side, if I say I've woken up with lot of gratitude, with lot of thankfulness, thanking everyone for whatever happened yesterday or uh, in last week or last month, what good things I am going to do the entire day, I am going to smile, I am going to help others. So in this way, these million workers who are there on the positive side, they start working, they start energizing the entire that part of a brain, and then it gives a very different feeling altogether, and then the whole thing revolves around a positive mode, and your day goes in a very positive and energetic way. So this is all how you imagine yourself. If you imagine that I am being I am held back, or I am not going to be so nice today and all those things, that is a part of your imagination. If you imagine really good, something is going to work today, tomorrow, for a week, for a month, for a year, obviously those thoughts will kind of trigger a good and positive image about yourself as of now, in the present moment, and in the future as well. And everything starts becoming positive for you. So that is the power of imagination, and it is all in your hands, that how do you turn imagination into reality. By it could be putting on paper whatever you thought, and whatever you want to do, how you want to go there, how you want to achieve things. It is all in your hands. God has given you the power of imagination. Very few people, in fact me as well, very few people use this power to the fullest. If you start using this power and imagine and visualize, you will see there are a lot of changes which will happen over a period of time in yourself. So start working on this magical thing called imagination. God has given you the power. Why He has given you that power of imagination, that thought on that day at that moment, and why He hasn't given it to others? Because He thought you are the one who can do something for yourself and for others as well. So take that hint, take that synergy into you, and push maximum yourself towards positive things, and create a right kind of moments where you will be able to improvise, improve your skill sets, improve yourself, others, and create a value for yourself. So this power, you utilize it to the fullest, which will give maximum gains, and you have that potential to use it to the fullest. If you like this video, please share a like. I am also available on YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with more such videos soon. Thank you.